Hello everybody, I'm Jan Elkins and this is Ways to Save with SWEPCO. Today we're exploring an exciting topic about how to keep your home cool and hot when needed with heat pumps. David Langston with SWEPCO is joining me now. David, heat pumps really can make a difference, can't they?
Yes, they can. Heat pumps serve dual purposes. They not only cool the house, but they also heat the house. And they do this by efficiently transferring heat from one location to another, rather than generating the heat through combustion. So it's a much more efficient way to heat a house.
What is the process of getting a smart thermostat, of getting a heat pump?
Well, I would recommend you get bids from air conditioning contractors, and also realize that there are rebates out there that most utilities will provide. And then there's tax incentives that can help lower your federal and state taxes when you do your taxes. And then there's usually financing options out there for people.
So this is a time when we can save money on our taxes because we improved our home, we upgraded, so to speak, and that's something that's going to help us with our utility bills for years to come. But we also may get some incentives like from SWEPCO.
That's correct. Look at swepco.com/savings to find out about those incentives. By lowering the upfront cost and getting a more efficient system, oftentimes over a period of having the life of the unit, it'll pay for the unit itself and have more comfort in the home.
David, thanks so much for the information about it. We appreciate it. And again, just a reminder, heat pumps may be able to save you today with incentives, whether it's a tax credit or whether it's an incentive for SWEPCO, but also save your utility bill throughout the years. I'm Jan Elkins, and this is Ways to Save with SWEPCO.